alaikum. Students, this time Ma'am Lilac will discuss the practice questions of Pad Aqidah. Why do we have to purify before reading Al-Quran? You can answer. Because it said in QS. Al-Waqiyah, 79. Which none toucheth save the purified. Al-Quran is holy book. So whoever touches and reads it should be in a holy. It is forbidden for people who are unclean to touch the Quran. Because the Quran is a holy teaching from Allah for all Muslim. Then only holy people may use the Quran. The meaning of the holy is not holy physical but is purely spiritual. Physical holiness means having to do ablution first. Sacred spiritually means the mouth, our minds and hearts must synergize while reading the Quran. If the three elements can synergize, we will be able to read the Quran carefully and get a blessing from Allah. If there is question. Allah has Asmaul Husna, that means good name of Allah. Why do we have to learn Asmaul Husna? You can answer. Because Allah said in QS. 8 that Asmaul Husna mean good names of Allah. If we pray to Allah, we have to call Allah by mentioned His name. A praying will be acceptable. Allah, the creator of all living thing in the world. As a mu'min we should believe in heart of Allah by understand Asmaul Husna. Understand Asmaul Husna will increase our faith to Allah. If there is question. Satan was created by Allah from fire and they always disturb human. Why is Satan always disturb human? You can answer. Because Allah said in Qs. Al-Araf, 16:17. Satan is a creature of Allah that will always disturb human, from the front, back, bottom, right and left side. Except from the top, because the upper direction is that humans worship to Allah. Human will always be misled by Satan entering through blood vessels, whisper and both ears, affect his heart. Nafsu is friend of Satan. If human cannot control their desires, they will become friends of Satan. And Satan will lead us to the wrong path, which will become friends of Satan and enter to hell. Okay my students, practice answering questions has been finished. I hope you can answer the question on pad correctly. Assalamu alaikum.